If you want to set up a VPN on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first of all, we can open settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you want to go to more connectivity options. After that, we should be able to find VPN option in here. And the first thing that you can do is you can create the VPN profile. Now, of course, in order to create a VPN profile, we need to have some information about the VPN that we want to connect to, about the VPN server, that is. So, of course, we need to provide, let's say, the server address and so on and so forth. So if you have that kind of data, then of course you can enter it over here, use this check in the upper right corner to create the profile, and then you can use it in order to activate VPN on your phone. However, in other cases, actually in many cases, it's definitely easier to just simply install a VPN app which creates the profile for you, and of course you navigate inside the app and you decide what you want to do with the VPN or to which server you want to connect and so on and so forth. So for example, we can just go to the Play Store. Over here we can use the search option at the bottom, then the search field at the top, and you can just type VPN. Or if you have a specific VPN that you wish to use on your phone, then of course you can just write the name of the VPN app, and then you can look for your VPN app. In my case, I'm just gonna use this app just as an example. Of course, feel free to try any VPN app that you want to try. I actually encourage you to do so in order to try to find your favorite one or the one that works the best for you. In some cases, VPN, of course, VPN apps are paid, and in some cases they are free, or they allow you to use it for free with some limited features. Now, in the case of this specific app, we don't even have to create an account, so I can just continue as guest. Of course, these free VPN apps also offer some premium premium upgrades and so on and so forth. So if you're looking for some if you're looking for more features inside that app, then of course most likely you have to purchase the premium. Now in my case, I'm not gonna do that, so I'm just gonna tap on and not now over here, and then you should be able to connect to a server. Now in this specific case, I can just connect to a random free server. I can also change the server if I want to, and that is about it. Now VPN is activated on my phone. Of course, we can also go through settings of the app in order to try to find some options that you might want to adjust in order to make sure that VPN works exactly as you want it to work. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.